This app right here, it's making over $1,000 a day in the App Store, and I copied it without writing a single line of code myself. What if I told you that you could build your own profitable app using nothing but AI? And to prove it, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I created a complete clone of Picture Mushroom Identifier, an app that helps users identify mushrooms instantly through photos, and even added payment processing with Stripe so you can make money from it right away. The best part? I only used one AI tool to build the entire app. This is literally the most powerful AI coding assistant available right now. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, how I legally replicated Picture Mushroom design and features, how I structured the app and used AI to build every component, and how I integrated Stripe for monetization. I've never seen anyone else show the complete process of building a profitable app with AI from start to finish. This video is the only guide you'll need to start generating passive income with just your own AI-built app. Let's dive in and build your next income stream together. Alright, so we're gonna build the app in Replit. Hey, look down in the description and get $10 worth of free credits. So the first thing we need to do is set up the foundation. Before we dive into AI recognition, database integration, and all the cool features, we need a solid user interface. Because, let's be honest, no one wants to use an app that looks like a mess. To start, we need to jump over to Replit and create a brand new project. This will be the home for our Mushroom Identifier app. Now, we need to give the AI a clear prompt to work with. We can type, I need a Mushroom Identifier app that allows users to take or upload photos of mushrooms for instant identification. It should use the Gemini AI to utilize a machine learning model trained on mushroom characteristics and varieties. And just like that, we're in business. The first thing we need to focus on is the layout. Right now, we're not worrying about functionality, just making sure everything is structured in a way that makes sense. We create a simple, clean home screen with a central upload area. Users can send either a photo in real time or upload an existing image, which can later be processed by the AI. Next, we set up navigation. A good app should feel smooth and intuitive, so we add a basic navigation bar that includes the key sections: Home, History, and Insights. Home is where users will identify mushrooms, History will store past identifications, and Insights will later be packed with mushroom-related knowledge. If you click on any of the sections, nothing happens yet, because the core functionality hasn't been built. That's completely fine at this stage. The structure is in place, and now it's time to power it up by integrating AI-driven recognition. The interface is ready, but it needs an engine to process images and provide accurate identification. To transform the app from a static layout into a fully functional identification tool, we integrate the Gemini API. This is the system that enables AI-driven mushroom recognition, analyzing images, and cross-referencing them against a trained model. Once connected, the app will be able to process uploads, identify species, and return useful insights in real time. The first step is connecting the Gemini API to our project. Once the API is integrated, the app can take an uploaded image and send it to the AI for processing. To make this happen, we establish a back-end processing system that handles the image input, runs it through the AI model, and then delivers the identification results. With the backend in place, it's time to test if everything works. We upload a few sample mushroom images and run them through the AI. If everything is set up correctly, the Gemini API should analyze the image and return an identification result, along with relevant details about the mushroom species. But we're not just taking the API's word for it, we need to ensure that every API call is functioning properly. So we run multiple test inputs to check for accuracy and confirm that the system is fast and reliable. If something breaks, no worries. We debug and fine-tune the connection. AI recognition is a great starting point, but identification alone isn't enough. Users need context. Is the mushroom edible or poisonous? Where does it typically grow? Does it have a toxic lookalike? To transform the app into a comprehensive resource, we integrate a mushroom database that stores detailed species information, ensuring every identification comes with valuable insights beyond just a name. To make this happen, we type add a comprehensive mushroom database to include the following: scientific and common names, edibility status, edible, poisonous, medicinal, detailed descriptions of physical characteristics, habitat information, seasonal availability, and similar looking species, especially poisonous lookalikes. That's important. With the database in place, the app now does more than just identify mushrooms, it delivers valuable insights. Instead of just showing a name, it pulls up detailed descriptions, warns users about potential risks, and provides location-based data. Whether someone is foraging in the wild or just curious about a mushroom they found, the app now acts as a smart AI-powered field guide. Next, we focus on seamless interaction between the UI and the database. When a user uploads an image, they shouldn't have to dig for more details. The app should instantly retrieve and display all relevant information in an easy-to-read format. To achieve this, we implement a structured retrieval system that fetches data in real time, eliminating extra steps and keeping everything smooth and intuitive. With the database connected, we run multiple tests to ensure that data is stored and retrieved correctly. We verify that previously identified mushrooms remain accessible, double-check species descriptions for accuracy, and confirm that the interface updates instantly with each new query. If anything isn't working as expected, we debug and optimize until the entire process is fast and reliable. Now the app isn't just identifying mushrooms, it's equipping users with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. But there's still a missing piece: safety warnings. Some mushrooms look harmless but can be deadly, and users need to be alerted when they're dealing with a potentially toxic species. That's the next step, integrating real-time safety alerts to prevent dangerous mistakes. Let's build it. While the AI-powered mushroom identification system is impressive, foraging isn't just about recognition, it's about safety. Some mushrooms are highly toxic, and even a slight misidentification can have serious consequences. AI is a powerful tool, but it never should be the sole authority when it comes to deciding whether a mushroom is safe to eat. To protect users, we need to build an automated safety warning and clear disclaimers promote caution. We type add safety warnings for toxic species and disclaimers about not relying solely on the app for edibility decisions and location-based suggestions. The app now automatically triggers an alert whenever a toxic mushroom is detected. If a user uploads a photo and the AI identifies a dangerous species, a bold red warning appears immediately, signaling the risk. This isn't just a subtle notification now, it's an unavoidable high-priority alert that makes it clear the mushroom could be harmful or even deadly. Warnings alone aren't enough though. We also integrate critical disclaimers throughout the app, reminding users that AI-based identification is not foolproof, and that they should always consult an expert before consuming any wild mushroom. This feature prevents users from developing a false sense of confidence in the AI and ensures that the app is used as an educational tool rather than a final decision maker. To further eliminate misinformation, we enhance security protocols within the AI processing system. If the AI is uncertain about an identification, it will no longer guess. Instead, it will flag the result as inconclusive and recommend that the user seek expert verification. This step is crucial in preventing false positives, which could otherwise lead to dangerous mistakes. With these safety measures in place, the app has evolved beyond just an identification tool. It is now a responsible, safety-first platform that actively helps users avoid dangerous situations. Now, a powerful app isn't just about features, it's about personalization and accessibility. While users can identify mushrooms and access important data, yes, their experience resets every time they close the app. There's no way to save past identifications, track discoveries, or unlock premium tools. To change this, we introduce user authentication, allowing each user to create an account, manage their history, and unlock exclusive features. Let's type add a register and login feature as well as a paid subscription and connect it to Stripe. This time, we are implementing a user account system, giving each person their own profile where they can log in, save their history, and manage their data. The app now supports both new user registration and secure logins for returning users, making it easy to pick up where they left off. Security is a top priority, so we encrypt user credentials and store them safely. Whether someone is tracking their foraging history or subscribing to premium features, their data needs to be protected. To enhance security and improve the user experience, we integrate authentication tokens. This ensures that once a user logs in, they stay authenticated across sessions. No need to re-enter passwords every time they open the app. Now, the app is evolving into a customized experience, allowing users to save and access their identifications anytime. But this is just the beginning. With authentication in place, we can now introduce paid subscriptions using Stripe, unlocking exclusive features for users who want more advanced insights and tools. Offering an advanced AI-powered identification system is great, but to keep the app sustainable and continuously improving, a structured monetization model is essential. The solution? A subscription-based premium tier that gives users access to exclusive tools while ensuring the app remains supported long-term. To do this, we're integrating Stripe, a secure and widely trusted payment processing system, to handle subscriptions seamlessly. We type, add the subscription tier with Stripe. To start, we set up Stripe integration so users can subscribe directly within the app. This allows them to enter their payment details, manage their subscriptions, and access premium features with a smooth, frictionless checkout process. Once Stripe is connected, we introduce a tiered system, offering both a free plan and a premium plan. The free plan provides basic mushroom identification, while the premium plan unlocks advanced insights, historical tracking, and exclusive content. Security is a top priority, so we ensure that all transactions are encrypted and securely processed through Stripe. Users can subscribe, cancel, and renew their plans without worrying about data breaches or unauthorized charges. We also integrate a subscription status tracker, ensuring that premium features remain accessible as long as the user's subscription is active. At this point, the app isn't just a tool, it's a fully functional platform with a sustainable business model. Now users can log in, subscribe, and unlock exclusive insights, making the app even more valuable. With the foundation, AI recognition, and premium features in place, next step is final optimizations to refine the overall user experience and ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's fine-tune and get this app ready for launch. With AI recognition, a comprehensive mushroom database, user authentication, and a subscription model in place, the app has transformed into a fully functional platform with a sustainable business model. But functionality alone isn't enough. The experience matters. A tool that's powerful yet clunky won't keep users engaged. The final step is about refining the look, feel, and usability to ensure that every interaction is smooth, intuitive, and visually appealing. A polished UI isn't just a bonus, it's what makes the app feel seamless and professional. To do this, let's type "improve the UI" to make it more pleasing for the eyes. After this, the app's UI/UX is refined, making navigation smoother and interactions more intuitive. Buttons are more responsive, text is clearer, and the overall design now feels modern and seamless. This step ensures that users have an effortless experience when identifying mushrooms, accessing information, or managing their subscriptions. Next, we conduct a full functionality check to confirm that every feature works as intended. We go through each step, uploading images, retrieving identification results, displaying safety warnings, and managing subscriptions, making sure everything runs without glitches. Any minor bugs are debugged and performance optimizations are applied to make the app run faster and more efficiently. At this point, the comprehensive mushroom database is fully integrated, providing users with detailed and accurate information. The database includes scientific and common names of mushrooms to ensure precise identification. It also provides edibility status, categorizing mushrooms as edible, poisonous, or medicinal. Each species is detailed with physical characteristics including cap shape, gills, and color, making visual comparisons easy for users. The database further enhances the user experience by including habitat information, helping users understand where specific mushrooms typically grow, and seasonal availability, allowing them to determine the best time of year to find particular species. One of the most crucial aspects of the database is the inclusion of similar-looking species, particularly highlighting dangerous lookalikes that could lead to misidentifications and potential health risks. With every detail optimized and tested, the app is now ready for deployment. What started as a simple concept has evolved into a fully functional AI-powered mushroom identification tool with an intelligent recognition system, comprehensive safety features, and a subscription model for premium users. The entire process from building the UI to integrating AI, security, and monetization has come together into a sleek, high-performance app. And with that, our AI-powered mushroom identification app is complete. From image recognition to safety warnings, a detailed mushroom database, user authentication, and a seamless subscription model, we've built a tool that's not just functional, but truly intelligent and user-friendly. But this is just the beginning. What if we took it further? Imagine real-time crowdsourced foraging data, AI-powered habitat predictions, or even integrating AR to visualize mushrooms in 3D. The foundation is set and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for following along. Excited to see where we go next.